So, I just ordered some LED turn signals, the bulbs, and replace them on the seam. And I just need to get the tools out of the garage and until I can take the key off. There we go. This is a little harder when using one hand. There you go. Hopefully I don't break the key instead of locks. So here's the Z. It's a little dirty. Oh, it's dirty. We had a rainstorm and I haven't had time to wash it. Well, maybe tonight we'll get washed. So this is what I ordered for my new turn signals and resistors. I don't want hyper flashing. I'll put the links in the description in case you guys are wondering or interested in buying them. Now let's get to the front side over here. If you're wanting to replace the turn signals in your Z, you have to take off your tail light. So I just finished installing the LED bulb and I tried the hazards and the turn signal, and it seems like I might not need resistors, but I still have to replace the ones in the front. This is the difference with LED turn signal on the left, and on the right side it has the incandescent bulb. So you can tell the difference on the blinking. Since I'm running depot headlights, I had to do some modifications in order to make sure the bulb fits. That modification involved taking off the plastic that goes on this and putting it on that light bulb right there. They had the resistor wired into the headlight housing and I did not like it. So I ended up moving it down to the actual harness and changing it right here, and then just holding it down with the wire. Some forgot what the name for this is, but it's just some metal wire. Just cut a piece and twisted it and got it in there. And when they say that they actually get hot, they get hot. So you don't want to mount this. Just burn my finger here. So you actually want to mount this away from plastic or anything like that, just because it will melt it. I mean, it did burn my finger pretty bad. I forgot that they get hot. And so this is the second day that I'm installing these resistors. This second one, took out the harness and installed it through here, and then put the harness back in and just zip tied everything to make sure nothing came out. So here is both sides with the resistors now being completely held by these two wires. And this one, I ended up moving it from here to this location right here. So now it's a little more protected. It won't hit any type of wiring harness or plastics.